welcome again. Today we're going to be doing This Old Man Found a Peanut and the Little Green Frog. Before we start though, I want to talk about time signature. So time signature is this fraction looking thing at the beginning of your song. We've had them in the previous songs, but here's time signature. So after the treble clef and after the bass clef, you have this 4/4, okay? I don't want you to worry about the bottom number right now, just the top number. So the top number represents how many beats are in each measure. So each box needs to add up to 4 counts. So if you look at This Old Man, the first measure you have 2 half notes, right? This for 2, then old for 2. So that's a total of 4 beats. And then if you look at the second measure, it's man, it's a whole note for 4. So each box has to add up to 4 counts, okay? So that's time signature. If you turn the page and you look at Found a Peanut, or the next song, if you look at the number, the little fraction looking guy after the treble clef and the bass clef, it's 3/4, meaning there's 3 beats in each box, okay? So if you look here, you've got a half note and a quarter note, so 2 and 1, so 3. So each box is 3, okay? So if you have 3/4 time signature, it eliminates the possibility for a whole note, okay? So you can't have whole notes in 3/4 time signature. Now, if you look at Little Green Frog, you have 4/4 again. But if you look at that first measure, there's only 2 beats, and you go, wait a minute, why? That's called an incomplete measure, okay? It's called a pickup measure. So we don't actually count that as a real measure. The first real measure starts over the word lump, galump, okay? So this would be 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay, so the first real measure, so if I said go to measure 1 in Little Green Frog, because this is an incomplete measure, we don't count him. This is 1, okay? So let's go ahead and try to play these songs. Let's go back to This Old Man, okay? And you've got index finger on D, second finger on B. So let's try this guy. D2, B2, D2, 3, 4. D2, B2, D2, 3, 4. E2, D2, C2, B2, A2, B2, C2, BC, D2, G2, G2, G, A, B, C, D2, 3, 4, D2, A2, A2, C2, B2, A2, G2, 3, 4. Okay, let's try Found a Peanut. So Found a Peanut is in 3, right? So each box has 3 counts. 1, 2, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, tie 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, tie 2, 3. Okay, now Little Green Frog. Now this guy is asking you to put your thumb on the G. Okay, so this is practicing being able to shift our hands around. So you're gonna put your thumb on G, okay? And this is starting on beats 3 and 4 because it's that incomplete measure. So this is 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, signature is kind of the new concept. You've got worksheets that correspond, okay? So this lesson covers the time signature and the incomplete measure. That's what I want you to think about this lesson. So awesome, and I will see you again for next lesson.